Yo guys, what's good? Justin here, man. And before we get into today's unboxing from last week's draw, man, I just want to show you guys what's going on around the crib. Some upgrades I've done to sort of the OVO room. So I'm gonna show you guys that quickly. Just thought I'd throw this in the beginning. Why not? So check it out. So I know you guys are used to seeing the bear with the poster, but we got the 400 now, and we did add a few more bear bricks. You could say it's been a bit of an obsession. Kind of weird, just plastic bears, but definitely been collecting some of these recently. Have another one on the way. But I moved some stuff around, put the letters here, laid the stickers out. I kind of matched the stickers to each bear, as you can see right there. But yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on. And below we got the do-rag, still DS, and some of the wipes. But I just want to show you guys this quickly before we get to the main unboxing. Also guys, check out the couch. We got the pillow and the 2 blankets. So whoever wants to come on the couch can choose which blanket they want to use. We got the carpet over here, still in good condition. Kind of a bit of an update on the carpet. It does shed a bit, but I definitely recommend do not vacuum this carpet. Just shake it off and pick out all the pieces. As you can see, there's a few speckles of just stuff in there, but the carpet is still holding up well. These things are going for like $400, $500, $600 now, so crazy piece. Back into the storage YouTube room, whatever you want to call it. We have this bag, still haven't used it yet, kind of just showing it off right here, but dope piece. I also want to talk about this one really quickly, guys. Crazy graphic, love this. And of course we have the Arabic tee, still only worn it once, so awesome piece. Keep this one in the plastic because it's super rare, and want to preserve this for as long as I can. So I hope you guys did like that update, but without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. All right guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys did like that little intro, just a little update on what's been going on around the house. But without further ado, let's get straight into this unboxing from last week. Just one t-shirt. I really just wanted to show you guys the quality and my thoughts of the print of this t-shirt in hand. This one did sell out, I want to say in the first hour, half an hour, so this was 100% the most popular t-shirt from last week. So without a long talk, man, let's get straight into it. One thing I do want to point out for everyone in Canada who gets these sort of packages, not the boxes, they make it really easy to open. You just rip it like that. You don't need scissors or anything like that, so definitely cool packaging right here from OVO. Definitely appreciate the small stuff like that. So sliding the t-shirt out, of course we have none other than the envelope. So this has your receipt, your order number, all that good stuff. The t-shirt was $48 before tax. After that it was like $54, so free shipping. Really great that OVO is still doing that. And then right here, guys, is the t-shirt. So you can see we got the black colorway and the owl in the middle. Most of the graphic on this t-shirt is on the back, so let's crack this open and see that logo on the back. So again, guys, sliding the t-shirt out of the bag, right off the bat, we got that nice made in Canada quality that you cannot go wrong with. I know the lighting in the camera kind of sucks on the black t-shirts, but bear with me here. So we got the owl right in the middle, nice print right there. I really do like the positioning of this. I'm glad it's not off to the side or anything like that. Nice made in Canada tag. There's a nice close up there. And once we turn it around to the back, guys, take a look at that logo. So I'm gonna break it down. We got the Same City, Same Friends logo with the CN Tower. Then we have the Familia logo going down on this side with the marigold. You guys can see the marigold right there. We got the Stack logo and we have the Runner logo, so pretty cool. Oh yeah, and the Tokyo logo as well. That's the breakdown on all of the logos right there. Made in Canada, size large, and just another tee you cannot go wrong with this summer. I'm 5'9", guys, and the large fits me perfectly. Wouldn't go medium and I wouldn't go XL, so the large is the way to go for me. If you need help with sizing or anything like that, just shoot me a DM. I'll try my best to reply. But yo guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys picked up from last week. We got a bit of a break this week with no drop, But hopefully next week they come back strong with another one. As you guys saw yesterday, OVO stores are beginning to open up. So we got Toronto, Vancouver, Tokyo, as well as a few other spots like LA. But New York and Chicago still are not opened. So stay tuned for that. And a lot of people are asking me, are they getting the previous stock before the stores opened? So I don't think they've gotten everything in between when they closed and when they opened. But I could be wrong. Definitely stay on the lookout to my page though. That's what I'm trying to figure out next. And without further ado, guys, that is it for today's video. So I did hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.